In the Week 7 assignment, you will be exploring low light and night photography. You can photograph any subject for this assignment, as long as it is in low light or at night, in any way except for direct auto mode with flash. If you use a flash, use night portrait mode or rear curtain sync on the flash if you have this, and stabilize your camera. Avoid unintentional camera movement, so use a tripod. You'll submit 4 shots to the Dropbox for Assignment 7. Shots 1 and 2 should be in black and white, and shots 2 and 3 in color, and all 4 shots should be unique. Dusk is a great time to photograph, especially for handheld images. Position yourself on a bridge or a freeway overpass safely and watch traffic patterns and compose the image for the best effect of streaking car lights. Take advantage of the transition period, the time after the sun sets, but before it is dark. Color at dusk is very dramatic. As fog comes in and the sun goes away, notice how the sky color changes. Adjusting your white balance at night is just as important as during the day. If you don't know the source of the lights, go ahead and experiment, changing your white balance and seeing how it looks. You can photograph unique objects indoors at night, such as the sculpture at City Museum in St. Louis. Dusk is an exciting time because of the color shifts. You can also get a fast enough exposure without sacrificing too much ISO. The higher the ISO, the greater the digital noise. You can see some noise or interpolation in the sky in this photograph. These are the mottled specks that surround the fireworks. This occurs at higher ISOs when the sensor creates missing information. Long exposures of 30 seconds or more require a tripod. Long exposures can produce dreamy nighttime landscapes. Make use of available light and color shifts that happen with long exposures. Urban areas are interesting to photograph at night, but always stay safe. Rain in the evenings can create beautiful effects, such as reflections. Reflections in windows at night can also be interesting, especially in city shops. Apply what you've learned this term and always look out for a good reflection. Consider how your photograph is balanced. When photographing the moon, keep your shutter speed at 1/125th of a second at f8 at an ISO of 100, otherwise it will be overexposed. To compress the space, use a telephoto lens of 200 millimeters or higher. The more compression, the closer the moon will appear.